In this question, you are standing on an ice rink and you have the mass 70.0 kilograms. And your friend throws a 0.4 kilograms object at you with a velocity 10 meter per second. Now in the case A, you catch the ball and because of the initial momentum of the ball, you start moving with velocity v. But because you caught the ball, the total mass would now be 70.4 kilograms. Now, the initial momentum before the collision is simply the momentum of the object that is moving. So that's mass, which is 0.4 kilogram, multiplied by the velocity, which is 10 meter per second, which is 4 kg meter per second. Now,